What's up, YouTube? We're at the car wash right now. We're gonna head out to Salt Lake City. That car wash got me looking so clean, bro. Holy shit. Golly. All right, y'all. We're going POV mode. Gotta roll them windows down. The AC ain't working. Oh, you guys can't even see. Dang it. Dude, I need a head mount so bad. What is wrong with me? I just I'm procrastinating buying one for absolutely no reason. Oops, that's my bad. Bro was trying to get behind me. I thought he was trying to line it up. Oops. Oh, I hope he makes that. Please make the light. Oh, he didn't make the light. Well, I guess we'll meet him there. 'Cause I'm not pulling over here. Oh shit, I forgot I'm out of gas. Guys, look at this. Holy shit. Oh, look at that. Wow. All right, bro. That's a tight squeeze. We going for it. Who does brother think he is? All right. Bro, me and bro aren't even cruising anymore.
Hey, yo! Bro! Did you gun me? Hey, just off the light. Just off the light.
Off the light? All right.
We're going left. Like,
I know.
straight?
Yeah.
Oh, this guy has a camera on his head.
All right, let me converse with bro. See where we're going. Might need to turn that on. What map am I in? I'm in 1. That's fine. Bro, those kids. Off the line, off the line. Bro, you are in an all-wheel drive. I'm in a manual. Anything but the line. I ain't even 21 yet. I still got a couple more months. And then I'll see how active Salt Lake City really gets. Salt Lake City nightlife. Is there any? No. There is none. Oh my. Oh my goodness, that thing sounds so good. Chipotle. Maybe. Let's get Cane's. Let's get Cane's. Holy shit, that sounds so good. You can't even see, bro. I need a cameraman. Oh my goodness, dude. His turbo sounds so good. He's got to speed up, though. Because, like, I don't know where the fuck I'm going. Look. Ah, fuck. He's getting behind me. Now I'm leading. I don't know where the fuck I'm going. Guys. Oh my goodness. All right, I need to look up the location. We have just arrived at Cane's. Holy shit. These are fucking clean. So, we just got Cane's. We're going to head back. Probably not gonna film because I don't like the angle. Yeah, we're gonna do a sound check in a second. So I'll see you there. Let us know. Let us know which one sounds better. His sounds actually insane.
Bye-bye.